Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to drive a manual transmission car. So let's get the ball rolling. So this is how manual transmission car looks. We have three pedals here: the gas, the brake and the clutch. So the main principle of a manual transmission car is that you do it manually. So the clutch is a kind of the bridge between the engine and the transmission. When you press the clutch like this, it disconnects the engine from the transmission, and when you release it, it connects it again. When you press, it's disconnected and it's not running. So in this case, you can shift the gears, whatever you need. So let's get started. You know the principle now, and let's get started. Turn on the engine. Sorry. Yes, and yeah. First, we need to press the clutch all the way down, and then we put the gear to the first gear. So actually the structure of the gears are different in different cars, but in this case it's like this, a little bit leftwards and forward. So it's on the first gear now, and the key thing, the critical thing is how to press the acceleration, how to press the gas. When you press the gas too hard like this and you release the clutch, and then you end up drifting, unwantedly, and your engine will shut off. If you press the acceleration so low, so slow, and then you also end up not moving, and your engine will shut off. So you have to know how to press it normally. So, and you can see here in the tachometer, in this case it's like this. You slightly hear the voice, the sound of the engine, and here slowly release the clutch like this, and you see the car is moving. So once you are sure that the car is moving steady, and you can release the clutch altogether like this and press the gas. At around 30 kilometers per hour, you can change the gear. Oh, sorry, I didn't mention it. So, and the same story goes, guys. Press the clutch again and put the gear to the next one, to the second one. So here, and when you are fast enough, you can change the gear to the third one. Like again, press the pedal clutch and put it to the third one. The same principle applies for the rear gear. So when you wanna drive the car backwards, you should put the rear gear, and again slowly release the clutch. So this is basically it, guys. If you think this video is okay, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting my channel. Yeah, good luck.